Well, hello, ladies. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Abby. And guess what? It's my birthday today. Like, what? April 17th. I've turned 20. 20. I can't mention my age. So, yes, I'm uploading this video on my birthday just for you. In this video, I will be showing you my easy peasy tapered wash and go. So, this is how my hair looks now. Again, I cut my hair about 3 inches to finalize the even cut. Because like I stated before, I had lots of layers, but now it's like 90% no layers. So as you can see, I've got some hardened gel that I need to wash off, so I'm just going to go do that now. So to prepare my hair for washing, I'm going to pre-poo. So I'm going to prep my hair with some coconut oil. I'm just going to use about this much. And generously going to apply it all over my hair. Next, I'm going to wash my hair with Cream of Nature Argan Oil Shampoo. It's sulfate free, it smells great. And I love it. It makes my hair feel so soft. And then I'm going to condition my hair with my favorite conditioner, Dove Anti-Frizz Oil Therapy Conditioner. And I'll be right back. This is how my hair looks straight out of the shower. By the way, I did comb my hair with a wide tooth comb thoroughly in the shower, just to, break the curls. Now I'm about to use this Renewing Argan Oil by Organics. I love this because it's very, very lightweight and it smells very nice. I'm going to use a drop or two, about this much, and then I'm going to massage through the hair. I'm also going to separate my curls and fluff the top area of my hair. While tucking the bottom. So basically what I'm doing is creating that tapered shape. It's almost like an inverted triangle. And there you have it, ladies. This was very easy, fast, tapered wash and go. Since my hair is so evened out now, my hair is naturally shaping up like this. And I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I promise I'm going to have a very good birthday. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, I love you all. God bless you. Mwah.